Hi friends, this is Dr. Amit Sharma, and in this video I will explain how a broken tooth is restored. Generally, if there is an infection in the tooth, a cap or crown is placed directly after root canal treatment. And ideally, if the tooth is significantly damaged or a large portion is broken, a post is placed after the root canal treatment, and then after building up the tooth, a cap or crown should be given. So if you ask me what is dental post, so a dental post is a small rod-like structure used in restorative dentistry, particularly following root canal treatment, to support and enhance the stability of a dental restoration. And posts provide additional support, especially in teeth that have had significant loss of structure due to decay or fracture, and they help reinforce the tooth and increase the longevity of the restoration. First, the filling from the tooth that has undergone root canal treatment is removed and the canal is cleaned and shaped up. Here a metal post is being placed. During the placement of the post, an injection for numbing the tooth is not given, and it's a completely painless procedure. The placement of the post increases the life of the tooth and makes it significantly stronger compared to before. The very first the root canals are dried up, then the post is fixed with the help of an adhesive material. After that, the tooth is built up, which should be done using standard material only, and gradually the tooth starts to take its original shape. And selecting a post of the correct quality, size and shape is also very important. Only then will the long-term results be good. And now you will understand on your own as you continue watching the video. And if in case you still don't understand any of the step of this video, then feel free to ask me through messages or WhatsApp or any comments. I'll be definitely replying you people. We are now preparing the tooth for a cap by gently shaping it from all the sides and then taking an impression to create a perfectly fitting cap. And to ensure a proper fit and prevent discoloration or blanching, a gingival cord is placed in the gums before taking impression for the cap. Proper shade selection is crucial for front teeth caps. If it's not done correctly, the entire treatment may be compromised, as the color of the cap greatly affects its aesthetic appeal. Now the cap will be fixed using adhesive material, and here we are using the metal-free cap. And for front teeth, metal-free caps are the preferred choice due to their natural appearance and compatibility. There are different types of caps available in the market, but metal-free caps are the best for the front teeth.